Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you're doing? Hope you have a great week, guys. Today we're going to do a perfect fit bow tie, and this is the material we're going to use for this bow tie. So the first measurement we're going to take is the handkerchief. So we're going to take 7.5 by 7.5. Okay. So this fabric is African prints. You guys know that I'm in love with African prints. So let's take the measurements again. Assurance. Yeah, this is 7.5 by 7.5. So this is going to be the handkerchief. So we're going to overlock the edges, and let me cut the stripes. So the stripe is 2 inches by 24 inches. Okay, so we have the two, and we're going to cut the bow 9 inches by 5.5. So one is going to be longer than one, 5.5. So I think I will take it from this place, inches by 5.5. So I take the 5.5 here as well. So we cut. This is the long one, and the short one is 9.5 inches long, and the width is 5.5. It's 5 inches, while the length is 9 inches, 9.5 inches. Sorry. The ankle, the band, the two bow. Let me measure this. 9.5. The small one is 9 inches. So guys, we have the long and the short one. So now let's put everything together. So guys, we have the stripe and the band, the two bones, and the ankle. So now we're going to start with the stripe by side facing each other by folding it like this. So we're going to run a stitch like this, then we turn it out, and we're going to overlock the edges. Okay, I'll try to use baby lock to overlock these edges, and I will be right back. Then we can do the bound. I'm going to, okay, this is the right side. I'm going to this and turn it out. Okay, I'll be right back. I want to sew this and I will come back. I've overlocked this. Lock all the edges of the what we put on the front pocket. Now we're going to fold this. So this is the band, and this is the stripe. So it's unturned out. Now we're going to fold this. This is the wrong side, I think. So this is the longer part. Let me open it again. I think I've just fold it like this. I don't know the camera, so let me redo it again. So it's like this. Okay, then you open it, then you fold the side to meet the middle part. You fold now like that, then you fold it like this into two, then you open it and fold it to meet the middle part, and fold it to meet the middle parts. Okay, so you can press it. At this stage you can use your sewing to hold it down, or you press it down. Think of this tutorial I'm going to run a stitch and run a stitch here. If you don't want to run a stitch, just face it each other like this. I advise it's better to run a stitch to secure it. So you see the longer one and the shorter one. So I'll be right back. Let me just run a stitch on both sides. So guys, I run a stitch at the middle, so just place it like this, and we still have a little space here, so the shorter one will be at the front. So what you need to do is just to fold it like this and turn it downwards. So what you need to do is to use a string to hold it in place. Okay. Tie it at the middle like that. So you tie it off. Okay. So that is it. So this is going to be in the front. That is our boning. So now what we need to do is to use our clips. So this is the clips we are using. Use these three types, these three design. Okay. So first I'm going to use this first. Put this at the middle like this. So you bring it out, something like this. So now guys, this is, you see this two line up there, so we're going to put this like this, and the hook will face up. You see this little hook will face up like this. So I need to pull this and bring it out here. Okay, so I need to push this up so that we have is a room. So like this, you put it here, then you put it there. From here, what we need to do now is to sew it together like 0.2, then you bring it here together, fold it, trying to hide everything, so we don't want everything to be showing. Yeah, so the next part we're going to one like this, and this, so we run a stitch. That is it, guys. Don't forget to like this video if today is your first time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you see more of these videos. So now I'm going to be right back. So we sew this, so this is your adjust, you can adjust it to your length, the way you want it on your neck. So it's going to be like this. This is the hook at the back. So now what we need to do is to, the last thing to do, but not the least, so is to pull this like this. Okay, and this is how we're going to do it. Run a stitch here, or you use tweets to run a stitch here. I'll be right back. I'm going to cut this and turn it. It's all turned out. Look at the sewing. You can't see it. If it's very difficult for you to turn, then you can just overlap it and use a thread and needle to stitch it together so that it will look easy to adjust. So let me wear it, and this is the pocket stuff. I'll give it a huge thumbs up. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Let me wear it. This is the bow tie. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Give it a huge, or they put it like this. I don't know how they do it anyway. Maybe like this. And easily help someone that need this. So you can use for business as I do. Very easy. God bless you all. Bye bye bye.